Okay, so if you're like me and got a couple of bikes and you're doing maintenance and all that sort of stuff, you know, it'd be really good if you had an app that you could put all your details in, keep track of all your maintenance schedules, all the repairs you've done, everything. And also, imagine also if you went riding and you could upload all your results, you could do the track, you go on a trail ride, you could connect to GPS and track it all, and put all the details in and keep them there so that you can refer to them next time and all that sort of stuff. I mean, just imagine having an app like that. It'd be great, wouldn't it? Well, guess what? I got something to share with you. There is an app and it's called MXtrackr. I'm going to show it to you now and yeah, see what you think of that. But man, I think it is absolutely the bomb. It is friggin' awesome. So we'll take a look at it and cool, check it out. Okay, so we're now having a quick look online at MXtrackr. So what we have here is the main page, mxtrackr.com, where you can set up your account, log in. So just give a quick look here. There is a free setup which has a minimum things that you can do, but it's, you know, it's good to get started. And if you are, say, a racer or family or more, whatever, a pro, you can get a monthly or yearly plan, set up a lot more, get a lot more information that you need to assist you with your racing efforts. There's also a setup here for enterprise, so tour operators, racing teams, clubs, even coaches, so there's a lot in there. Now, so I'll go back to my home page. Okay, so I've got two bikes in here. I've got the KTM and the Suzuki. I've got a little bit of a setup here to show you. Say a few bike setup. So maintenance history, I think it's 2.2. Can set up the clean the air and re-oil the air filter. That should come through at about 2.2 hours, but I mean that's just what I said here, just for demonstration purposes. There we go. Back to the bikes, KTM there. Go to the riders, just myself, it lists my bike and bikes and my club, racing class if I ever actually did. I consider myself to be intermediate. Go to the inventory, have a look at, say, equipment. Alright, so in my equipment I've got a helmet, an O'Neill 2SRS, and I've got some boots, Tech 5 Alpine Stars, so assigned to the rider. So yeah, that's that. And we go to coaches. So let's have a look at the coaches. I've got a whole pile of different coaches here. Probably the closest to me would be Corey, and I would be able to add him as a preferred coach. Yeah, but there's a whole pile of coaches in here, and even some notable names like Moss and Lee. So no, Nathan Crawford. Yeah, so that's that one. And there's a lot of other things here that you can look through. Get support, financials. Let's probably look at a budget. Alright, the KTM had a budget, $4,000. That included all the purchase of the bike and stuff. I haven't put anything really on there. I had to put a set of graphics on there to show you that it deducts that off the amount. But yeah, you can add all your stuff, all your allocations, etc. Probably something you don't want the wife to see. unless she's paying for it. But yeah, that's just a quick little overview of MXtrackr. I thoroughly recommend it for someone who's got a couple of bikes and wants to keep track of everything they're doing. So yeah, look, thanks for having a quick look. I endorse this product. It's just a cool thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you find this helpful.